Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing us how to make a durag. So a durag is a form of hair care or hair accessory instead of your scarf, and then it can also be made as a bonnet in place of a bonnet. So let's get started. Now this is how the durag looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like so. It's not difficult at all. So I will show us the pattern on the paper. Okay, now I'm going to mark 10 inches from the edge. Sorry, the length is 36 inches. That'll be the length. You can make yours longer. Then the width is 10 inches. Okay, I will also mark 10 inches here. Then I'll draw a straight line. So what I have there is a rectangle. Okay, so the 10 inches will be like the circumference of the head, but the 36 inches is the length of the durag, so it means yours can be longer. Okay, now next step, I'm going to mark 4 inches here. Then from the top I'm going to mark 10 inches. Then I'll come in by 4 inches. Okay, I hope that's clear. So I'm going to link the 2 points together. Okay, draw it all the way down. Okay, so we don't need that part. Now next thing, on the other edge of the paper, let me just cut out the unwanted parts to avoid any sort of confusion. Okay, so from the other edge of the paper, you can cut this right now in fabric place. I'm marking 20 inches down. I didn't know that part was not showing in the camera. So I marked 20 inches down. Then I'm using the curve part of my ruler to draw a curve from that 20 inches point. Okay, yeah. Then I'll just use my hand to finish up the curve. Yeah, that's it. Okay, yeah. Sorry guys, I didn't know that part was not showing. Then I'm going to use my curve to create a curve around the edge there, so that we don't have very sharp edges. Then same thing here, I'll just curve it down slightly. Okay, and my pattern is ready. So I'm going to trim out the unwanted parts like so. Yeah, so you can see this part that wasn't showing. Okay, that is 20 inches from the top of the paper. Okay, so I'm just trimming out unwanted parts like so. So when you're done cutting this out, you are going to cut 2 of these on your fabric. So you can use lycra, which is even the best material. I would suggest anything that stretches. You can use it on lycra, so it has a firmer grip on the head. You can use satin if you're a natural hair person, and of course I'm using Ankara in this tutorial. So this is the durag here. This is it here. So you're cutting 2 of it, and then the only place you'll be sewing together is from the top part. Okay, the top part there, round the curve. That is the only part you'll be sewing. Every other part you're going to use industrial scissors. You use a scissors to weave it round like individually. Okay, it's just that back part that you'll be sewing alone. So that brings me to the end of this short impactful tutorial. So I hope you learned something. I hope it was useful. So kindly give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So like I said, you can use satin to do this. Okay, so just try it out, and then you can give me feedback on our Facebook group, Cut and Sew by Lala. Yeah, I can post yours. Thank you.